7, and for our CCS 525 final project, we decided to create our own Stranger Things wall. It is of course inspired by the popular Netflix original series Stranger Things. Its main functionality is to take tweets and display them using the wall, or allow 5 character tweets to be entered using the wall and then displayed using the Mysterious Wall Twitter account. But before getting into the overall functionality, let's look at the hardware. Most of the peripherals, the sensors, the lights, are driven by the Arduino Uno, which is connected to an IR sensor, a potentiometer, a lux sensor, and a push button. In order to get the tweets and send the tweets, it's connected over serial to a Raspberry Pi, which is connected to the internet. Now that that's done, we can start looking at the functionality. We select options using the potentiometer, and we commit them using the push button. Option 0 has to do with the proximity sensor. Basically, if we're really close, it'll light up somewhere near here. If we're further away, it'll light up somewhere near here. The sensor is a little jumpy. It's rated for about 1 meter, but you can really see it working when we get really close. So we start out a little bit further away, inch closer. And as you can see, the distance from the A is controlled by how close my hand was to the IR sensor. Next, option 1 displays a cool color wipe animation. Awesome. Option 2 does a cool rainbow animation. Option 3 is uses the lux sensor to brighten the lights as the sensor detects less light, and to dim the lights as the sensor detects more light. So we'll demonstrate this by exposing the sensor to the overall light and then covering it with our hand and see what happens. So as you can see, in the overall light, it's very dim. Cover it up with your hand, we're very bright. Move it away, dims. Move it back, bright. Very cool. Option 4 is what we use to send, or rather display tweets tweeted at the Mysterious Wall Twitter account. So first, let's go over here and tweet something very festive. Merry Xmas. Tweet. Okay, the tweet was posted. If the board is working correctly, which it is, we should get Merry Xmas on board. Fantastic. As you can see, Merry Xmas, the letter spelled out Merry Xmas, just like we intended. Option 5 allows users to tweet 5 character messages, which will be displayed on the Mysterious Wall Twitter account. So let's do that. We will send tweet as our tweet. Okay, so now let's go look at the Twitter account. And it displayed 5 tweets. Sometimes the button, if you don't press it fast enough, it'll register and automatically send that character. So let's try that one more time. You have to be very quick with the button presses. So we'll say option 5, say tweet. Okay, let's look one more time. And there you see, tweet. Just like I said, sometimes the button, if you don't press it fast enough, it might register twice. So you gotta be very quick. Finally, option 6 is a cool meet in the middle animation, where basically lights will start at both ends, meet in the middle, and then go back out. Option 7 is a cool snake animation that starts from the beginning and flows all the way to the end of the board. Okay, and finally, option 8 is a cool breathing animation that actually takes a little bit of time, so be prepared. Starts at white, very pretty lights. See, they start to dim, they're breathing. And there you have it. That is the Group 7 CCS 525 Stranger Things board. As you can see, it's a really cool project that uses not a whole lot of hardware, not a whole lot of expensive parts, but allows us to do really neat things, especially using these lights. We can do cool animations, which is just for fun, or we can do purposeful stuff, as in reading and displaying tweets. Modern technology is awesome. Thank you.